Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Derivative questions get easier when you test the critical point, use the second derivative, and let the signs show where the local minimum lies. Start by checking the choice x equals 0, because a local minimum can only happen at a critical point. And here, f prime of 0 becomes 1 minus 1, which is 0. Next, take another derivative to test the behavior near that point. Evaluating f double prime at 0 gives a positive value, so the curve is bending upward there. That upward concavity confirms x equals 0 is a local minimum, so among the options, option C is the correct match. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps because critical points need confirmation before you choose.